Well, hi folks, as you can see, spuds are just about on the last legs now. These are the second earlies, and I've grown these in one of these rhizo pots, they're called. It's a 39 litre one, it's nowhere near full, so there's probably about 25 to 30 litres of soil in there. So we'll tip this out and see if we've got any, and see if it's been a success or a failure growing them in these different types of breathable pots. Right then, let's chop these tops off and see if we've got a crop. Spuds have been a bit disappointing this year, not as bad as last year, but they've not been brilliant. But then again, the weather's been so strange, so hot, and I've run out of water now completely, so that doesn't really help the old potatoes. Right then, let's be having a look. So like I said, these are breathable pots. They shouldn't have got too overwatered. So we'll see. I don't know how easy it'll be to get the soil out, to be honest. Ugh. Right then. It's looking extremely dry at the bottom. And again, we've no potatoes at the bottom for the last 2 years in succession. We've got a big one there, but it's rotten. Getting a few. Again, not big. Well, that's all right. That's not so bad. Oh yeah, looking a bit better. Looking like we might have a bit of a crop this time. I'll just empty this soil back out into this bag. See how we get on. So I'll put my spuds in here. Now that's the sort of size I would like them. I don't know whether that's a seed potato. I think it might be, because I think if this was the Charlotte, they were extremely big seed potatoes. We've got some, but again they're quite small, some strange shaped ones. So yeah, but we've got some, that's the main thing. It's looking a bit, oh my back, bending over. Let's have a look. Oh no, look at that. We've actually got a proper crop for once. We've got a proper crop. It's about time as well. So it seems that the old fabric pots could be the way to go. Yeah, we've got loads. Looking good. I'm going to have to get another pot. So we'll just sift through this. Oh yeah, look, loads. So after an initial feeling of disappointment, we appear to have for once a decent crop. And some nice sized ones too. Oh, tell you what, I'll move that and I'll put some soil in here. I'll get down because I've got a bad back. Oh dear me. So like I said, I've never grown them in these fabric containers before. Fully breathable. It's supposed to promote root growth of other plants, because when the roots get to the outside of the pot, they get the air to them, they dry out, and then they produce more roots facing back inwards. So by all accounts, that produces a bigger root mass, and therefore a more productive plant. I'm surprised we've still got a lot of these little ones. Let's have a look. Let's be getting every single one out and see what we've got. I brought my scales. I think I had a pretty meagre £2 last time. I'm pretty sure this is more this time. If only some of these little diddy ones would have grown a bit bigger, because it is quite late on in the season now. We're getting into the middle of middle of August nearly, so I'm bewildered as to why they've not grown bigger. Right, let's get through it all. Get every last one out. Another one there, another little one. I'm not desperate for water. I've been like using little cups to get every last drop out of my barrels because there's like an inch of water in my barrels, so I've been really struggling. And when it has rained, it's not made any difference. It's only put like a centimetre down in the last 2 months, so it's not made any difference at all. So I think that's about it. I'll get my bag and weigh these out and see what we've got. Pretty sure these were the Charlotte or Nicola that I bought in. Judging by the size of that seed potato, because I do remember them being a really big seed potato when I bought them. That's why I only got like 4 in a pack. They were huge. Right, last little fertile, and then we'll get them weighed. Right, that's it. Get my scales out. I think we might be getting on for about £4 there, but we'll show you. Let's have a look. 4.1 pounds. So I'm pleased with that actually. £4, you can't go wrong with that. There's a good 2 or 3 meals there. So it's a lot better than the last one. So it goes to show you that these fabric pots seem to grow potatoes better than the plastic pots. So for what reason I do not know, but I'll definitely use them again because that's the results. So there you go folks, that's not too bad. Just over £4 in a fabric pot with 3 seed potatoes and about 30 litres of soil. Right then folks, I've given them a bit of a swill off, so I'm pretty pleased with those actually. Some nice sized ones. We've got a touch of scab, if you can see, just a few little black marks on a few of them. But that's only like cosmetic, it won't do any harm. I want to scrape them, they'll be absolutely fine. So, like I said, I found a few more when I was rooting through. So that's just over £4 of new potatoes from 3 spuds in one of these fabric pots, which means you can't really overwater them. This is a 39 litre, but it wasn't even 3/4 full. So like I said, probably about 30 litres again of my homemade compost made out of molehill soil and sharp sand. So at last we've got a decent spud result this year. Anyway folks, that's about it. I'll see you later.